Hi guys! Today we discuss about pros and cons of digital marketing. Before we start, like and subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell so you don't miss the next video. The term digital marketing basically describes the practice of advertising products and services using digital channels in order to reach a larger and more targeted audience in the digital market. Using search engines, social media, websites, mobile devices, and other digital channels to promote your business in the digital market is always a good idea. Pros of digital marketing. Number 1. Brand loyalty is increased as a result of digital marketing. The best way a business or a company can increase their brand loyalty is by attracting recurring clients and maintaining a constant/stable relationship with them. Digital marketing may help you build the kind of customer loyalty you'll need to keep your firm afloat. In this digitally competitive market, a business has to stand apart and increase its brand loyalty. By providing, nurturing, and maintaining relationships, a business increases its business opportunities as a result of increased brand loyalty. Number 2. Digital marketing offers instant feedback. It is thoroughly necessary for reputed brand owners and other local shop owners to get constant feedback on what they are providing. Feedbacks are a source of improvement and teach the service providers where they lack and how much they have to improve. Feedbacks also teach you what your customers and clients are expecting according to their taste and preferences. It will take relatively little time for digital marketing initiatives to reach potential clients. As a result, collecting feedback from clients is very quick and simple. One of the best benefits of digital marketing is instant feedback. Number 3. Measurable and trackable results. Several tools are available to assess the campaign's effectiveness. For a brand owner or a digital marketer working constantly and effectively to gain results by using digital channels, tracking and measuring results becomes a priority. Digital marketing wouldn't want their invested money to go to waste. One of the pros of digital marketing is the use of online measuring tools. A piece of comprehensive information on how the client uses the website or responds to the advertisement can be obtained. Number 4. Digital marketing increases engagements. Another benefit of digital marketing is that it helps in increasing engagements. Several digital marketing techniques and tactics which are effectively used at the right time help in keeping the customer's attention and keep them engaged with the brand. Customer engagement activities like as polls, frequent blog posts, event promotions, relevant and real-time social media material, and promotional activities are just a few examples. This makes it much easier for a brand to survive. Number 5. Brand growth. Through digital marketing efforts, it is vital for brand owners and companies to build and maintain their brand image. Customers go for a brand's credibility and loyalty whenever to wish to shop. Digital marketing assists in the development of a brand through a variety of direct campaigning and tailored approaches. Customers get more engaged as a result of this strategy, which allows them to feel the brand's distinctive selling proposition and value. Number 6. Improved market analysis. Information from digital mediums is sufficient for review and studies. For any digital marketer or business development, researching and analyzing is the essential key to gaining success. Understanding the market, competition, and customer behaviors are all necessary questions that are to be answered. It will aid in the successful promotion of the brand and the expansion of the product's market. As a result, it is one of the essential benefits of digital marketing. Cons of digital marketing. Number 1. Cutthroat competition. In digital marketing, there is far too much rivalry. Everybody from over the world is adopting digital marketing channels to advertise and promote their goods and services. Getting the attention of clients is really tough. Methods quickly become obsolete, and responding to client requirements should be swift. Number 2. Concerns for security and privacy. For all businesses, security is a top priority. Even customers, most of them still rely on traditional shopping rather than online shopping. Customers are worried about whether to rely on online products. Data protection and privacy standards must be followed by an organization. Number 3. Time-consuming. Though some digital marketing tools, such as HubSpot, Hootsuite, Ahrefs, and TweetDeck, can assist you in overcoming time-consuming methods. A digital marketer should make sure that their digital marketing strategies and plans are organized. Number 4. Digital marketing requires digital skills. The individual in charge of the campaign should be well-versed in numerous digital marketing channels. It is not impossible to become digital effective, but it is required for a successful digital marketer to have years of good experience. The tools and trends change all the time, so it's important to stay up with them. Number 5. Comments and complaints. It's difficult to provide customer support over the internet. If a consumer leaves a nasty comment, the entire audience will see it. It will have an influence on the brand's promotion and credibility. That's it for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. In the end, don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notifications so you don't miss any more videos. Thanks for watching and see you soon.